Hey Logirians, welcome to Logiri. I hope you have subscribed to Logiri's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification on so that you do not miss any of our videos. I hope you're following us on Instagram. Today we're going to talk about Symbiosis 3-year law admission test notification 2021. The notification is out. Those of you who do not know, yes, Symbiosis Law School Pune has 3-year law course. They not only have 5-year law course, they also have 3-year law course. And the entrance exam for 3-year law course is AIAT. Exam is not same, the pattern is not same as it is for 5-year law course. It is not like SLAT, so there's a different exam. So today we're going to discuss about AIAT, their 3-year law entrance exam. The pattern is completely different and there are certain changes. There are rather a lot of changes that have taken place for the 2021 exam. So we're going to dive deep. I'm going to tell you how to prepare and everything. I'm going to share everything with you. Chalo, let's get into this video. First of all, you should know the important dates. Online application starts on 22nd March 2021 and it closes on 4th June 2021. The date of the exam is 27th June 2021, right? And you can pause the video and check out other important dates also and make a note of about the course, not about the exam, about the course. So the duration of the course is 3 years full time. Number of seats are 60 seats. Medium of instruction is English. Pattern of program is semester pattern. Total there are 6 semesters. Okay. Eligibility criteria देख लेते हैं. The candidate should be graduate from any recognized university with minimum 45% marks and 40% marks for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe. Okay, so 45% marks are required in your graduation. So graduation is the eligibility criteria. Reservation of seats, you can pause the video and check for yourself. Fee structure. Let's have a look at the fee structure. So it is a first year, it is first installment is of 1,20,000, second is of 1,20,000, right? And 10,000 is the institute deposit, which is refundable. Okay. Very important pattern of the exam. I need your full attention here because things have changed now. So admission to 3-year LLB is offered through Symbiosis All India Admission Test, that is AIAT. AIAT will be conducted by computer-based test CBT mode at different centers across India. Pichli baar 2020 mein, because of COVID, it was a home-based test, but now they've clearly said different centers but computer-based test. Okay, computer पे test देना होगा but center पे जाके, not from home, right? AIAT comprising of writing sample, subjective, descriptive answer related to socio, legal, politico, legal, current and contemporary topics, means current legal topics and current topics otherwise, right? There will be time limit to answer the questions. Once the time limit is over, the candidate will lose an opportunity to answer the questions. For every question, you will be given a specified time limit. If you answer it within that time limit, very good. Otherwise, you won't get an opportunity to answer. You lose the opportunity, right? An answer given by a candidate will be locked so that the candidate will not be able to change the answer. The candidate needs to ensure that the answer is recorded within the stipulated time, right? So you need to keep this in mind. Very important. Please make a note of it. Let's talk about marks distribution. Very, very important. So basically it can be divided. There are three sections we can say. One is the subjective type of questions. ठीक है ना? There are going to be two subjective type of questions, or 20 marks each, total for 40 marks and time allotted is 65 minutes. ठीक है ना? two questions, 20 marks each is equal to 40 marks total and 65 minutes, right? Next is 10 objective questions, objective type मतलब MCQ type होंगे, 20 marks for 20 marks related to legal general knowledge, current affairs and English language for 20 minutes, 20 marks. 10 objective questions, 20 marks 20 minutes मतलब हर एक question is of 2 marks and 20 minutes enough. Like 10 questions के लिए it is enough. And don't worry, I'm going to tell you how to prepare for this exam in detail. You just wait and watch. Immediately followed by online psychometric test of 20 minutes for 10 marks, right? So this is the pattern. Subjective questions hai, objective questions hai, psychometric test hai, right? Okay. Now let's talk about the personal interaction. They also have a personal interview which is of 30 marks, right? Personal interaction is intended to test the personal attributes, fitment, work experience, global outlook, professionalism, ethics, values, and statement of purpose of a candidate. You also have to write a statement of purpose which is to be submitted, right? Schedule is like so, like 1st and 2nd July 2021 personal interaction will take place, right? It is an online PI है आपकी. Time for PI is personal interview is 6 to 8 minutes for every candidate. The candidates need to be ready at the given time. Okay, fine, you need to be ready and all that stuff. You are requested to upload soft copy of the statement of purpose, not more than 250 words, and soft copy of one letter of recommendation mentioning conduct, character, traits, etc. Reference letter shall be from the head supervisor professor of your institute, college, and other relevant documents as prescribed for AIAT and PI process. So you need to submit certain documents, and in the important date section they have also mentioned by so and so date you have to submit. So please make sure that you do that. And very important, that there is no negative marking. There is no negative marking. Very, very important. Please make a note of it, right? How to prepare for the exam. Very important. How to prepare for the exam. We are going to talk about the two subjective questions that are going to be there. Two subjective questions of 20 marks each and total 40 marks. Topics, social, legal, current and contemporary topics, right? So you need to take care of the current affairs, especially the legal part, right? Especially the legal part, and every other the current topics, the topics that are currently in news, that you can write a answer, right? Time allotted for these answers is 65 minutes. Now how to prepare for writing. How to prepare. Number one tip that I want to give you is start reading the newspaper immediately. The day you're watching this video, you have decided that you want to appear for this exam, please start reading the newspaper, preferably the Hindu or the Indian Express. Preferably the Hindu or the Indian Express, right? Now the next thing that you need to do is why reading newspaper, because normally I've seen that current issues come, right? So even if you start reading the newspaper right now March is going on, March, April, May, reading the newspaper is not only going to help you in writing the answer, it is also going to help you in the PI part. It is also going to help you in answering those questions, the objective questions also, because wahan pe bhi there is general knowledge, right? So start reading the newspaper from today itself, especially the editorials, because in the editorials there is important news. You'll also get to know how to write. You can pick up the writing pattern. You also get to know how to write. Now the next is read any yearbook. Now you also need to know the news of a little bit of 2020 also. Kya hua tha, everything you need to know. So I'll recommend start reading any yearbook, especially Manorama, Pratogita, Darpan. It could be anyone, right? Especially the legal issues, right? If you can also go for online resources, but you have to cover the legal issues, the important legal issues of 2020, because there are going to be two questions of 20 marks each, and they can be also from certain legal issues that have taken place in 2020, right? So you have to make sure that you cover the legal issues of 2020. Okay, it could be through a yearbook, or you can also go for any online resource, but the purpose is this, right? Now I've done a detailed video. Watch the video wherein I've talked about how to write and practice. This is the video. I've talked about how to write. It is very important. If you have to write the answer in the exam, you have to read, and you have to write, and you have to check also. How to check? Use Grammarly or type. Don't write, type, because there also you have to type. Computer based test, right? By doing so, your typing speed would also increase, and you will be able to check on Grammarly also, so that there are no grammatical mistakes. Now one tip that I want to give you is search for the important judgments, important acts, and important bills that have come up in 2020 and in 2021 till now. Make a list of them and try to research, try to find more and more about those topics, right? So that if there is a question from there, you can write the answer. Okay. Next is MCQ type questions, objective questions 20 marks ke, right? 10 questions, objective questions. Now the thing is 10 objective questions, they are going to have 20 marks. Legal general knowledge, current affairs, this is covered already, right? For VAT also we are doing this. For VAT also we are going to read the annual the yearbook, then we are also going to find the important legal topics and study about them. English language is a thing which is there, and time allotted is 20 minutes. Now the tips are that you study some important grammar topics like that of tenses, subject verb agreement, prepositions. Create a list of grammar rules. Read them once, but create a list of grammar rules, right? That is what you need to do. Okay. Personal interview. Guys, for personal interview I've done a really nice video. It is guide for Symbiosis personal interview. You should watch this video. I know this is a longer video than usual, it is 30 to 35 minutes video, but do watch the video because I have discussed each and every question in detail. I have given suggested answers also. Like, right, you should prepare for the personal interview because a lot of the candidates who are selected, they do not know how to prepare, but I am telling you how to prepare. So prepare and you might get admission in Symbiosis Law School Pune, which is great. Okay, right? वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक करेगा और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर भी करना। एंड अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मेरे से पूछ सकते हो, एंड आप चाहो तो आप मेरे को मैसेज भी कर सकते हो इंस्टाग्राम पे। कमेंट्स में अगर पूछोगे कुछ तो आई विल ट्राई माय बेस्ट टू रिप्लाई। या दैट्स इट, साइनिंग ऑफ। चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना और बेल नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर देना ताकि जब भी मैं एक न्यू वीडियो डालूँ आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए। और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिले और जो हम एक्टिविटीज़ कर रहे हैं लॉगिरी पे उसकी नोटिफिकेशन मिले तो हमारा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज़रूर ज्वाइन करिएगा। अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट करके नीचे बताइए कि आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी ताकि मैं और ऐसी वीडियोस बना सकूं जो आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हेल्प कर सके। आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं, वहाँ पर मैं @IAMLogiri के नाम से हूँ। वहाँ पे आप फॉलो कीजिए क्योंकि वहाँ पे हम बिल्कुल डिफरेंट कंटेंट डाल रहे हैं और चाहते हैं कि मैं आपको वीकली न्यूज़ लेटर भेजूँ जिसके अंदर मैं लॉ के बारे में और भी अच्छे से बात करती हूँ। तो प्लीज़ अपनी ईमेल आईडी नीचे दिए गए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में एक लिंक है, वहाँ पे जाके अपना ईमेल आईडी ड्रॉप कर दीजिए ताकि जब भी मैं कुछ ऐसा करूँ आपको ईमेल पहुँच जाए और आप वो देख सके। वो मैं यूट्यूब चैनल पे नहीं डालती हूँ, वो सिर्फ मेरे जिन्होंने न्यूज़ लेटर सब्सक्राइब करा हुआ है उनको भेजती हूँ। आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं जल्द, बाय।